Be still for a moment. I know it hurts, but listen. Ebezina, don't cry. Chineke Na-eme. God is working. You smiled so no one noticed how broken you became. You carried silent battles and learned to hide the pain. Obigi juru na mute. Your heart is full of sorrow and hope feels far away. But while you think nothing is moving, God has been making a way. What you call delay may be mercy in disguise. What you call silence may be heaven at work tonight. Don't cry, God is working. Ebezina, Chineke Na-eme. Behind the closed doors, He is moving for you. Don't break, keep believing, even through the pain. Don't cry, God is working, and joy will come again. Every tear you cried in darkness, He collected one by one. Every prayer you thought was wasted still rises to His throne. I'm telling you, believe. Though you cannot understand, the hand you do not see right now is still a faithful hand. Seeds beneath the ground look lifeless for a while, but hidden in the darkness, they are growing all the time. Don't cry, God is working. Ebezina, Chineke Na-eme. While you are waiting, He is shaping all things new. Don't stop, keep trusting. Morning follows rain. Don't cry, God is working, and joy will come again. Wipe your tears, lift your head. This is not the final end. Please hold on. Night will pass, light will rise. God is near. Open your eyes. Ebezina, don't cry. Chineke Na-eme. Chineke Na-eme. God is working. Hold on, hold on. Don't cry, God is working. Yeah, Ebezina, Chineke Na-eme. Now the thing that broke your heart will show His glory too. No more fear, keep singing. New mercies fill the day. Don't cry, God is working. He never went away. Ebezina, Chineke Na-eme. Rest your heart.